Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from a customer to a bank employee. I living in Delhi for the last 10 years. I recently got married and my wife have moved here with me. We would like to open a joint account at XYZ Bank. She has visited the branch last week but did not have the relevant documents to submit. She worked as a teller before marriage with XYZ Bank. Can you let us know which documents she needs to submit? She changed her name after marriage. So, would we have to submit a name change gazette copy? Let me know. Did you notice any mistakes in this email? To avoid these mistakes, in this video, we will learn about the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened in the past, but the effect of it can still be seen in the present. For example, I have changed my signature. This sentence means the speaker changed their signature in the past and they continue to use it in the present. Another example is, he has closed the door. This sentence means he closed the door in the recent past and in the present you can see the door is still closed. The present perfect tense is also used to describe life experiences. For example, I have lived in Bengaluru for 3 years. This sentence means the speaker moved to Bengaluru 3 years ago and still lives there. Here's another example. He has decided to go for a car loan. This sentence means he decided to go for a car loan in the past and the decision is the same in the present. The present perfect tense is also used to talk about events that started in the past and are still going on. For example, Jay has worked here since 2003. This sentence means Jay joined the company in the past and continues to work in the same company. Here's another example. We have met the branch manager. This sentence means the speaker and his colleagues have met the branch manager in the past and continue to see him in their branch. Let us understand the difference between the present perfect tense and past simple tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action which took place in the past and the effect can still be seen in the present. For example, he has broken his arm. This sentence means that the person broke his arm in the past and it continues to be broken in the present. The past simple tense is used to talk about an action which took place in the past but its effect cannot be seen in the present. For example, he broke his arm. This sentence means that the person broke his arm in the past and in the present it is healed. His arm is no longer broken. Let's take another example. I have finished 5 reports. In this sentence, the speaker has finished writing 5 reports and there might be more reports to write in the present. This sentence is in the present perfect tense. In the sentence, I finished 5 reports, the speaker has finished writing 5 reports and there are no more to complete. The sentence is in the past simple tense. To form a positive sentence, use the pronoun I, you, we or they. Add have and an action word in the past participle form. For example, I have taken your pen, or you have taken my pen, or we have taken your pen, or they have taken our pen. To form a sentence using he, she, it, or with articles a, an or the, add has and a verb in its past participle form. For example, he has spent his money, or she has known the branch manager since 2010. To use a proper noun like Jay, Arya or India, use has to form the sentence. For example, Jay has spent his money, or India has grown since its independence. Now that you know how to use the present perfect simple tense, let us review the email. Since the customer continues to live in Delhi, use I have lived in Delhi. Since his wife moved to Delhi recently, use has moved. Use visited and not has visited since you are referring to an action of the past which is not going on in the present. Use has changed since the name change still continues in the present. We hope you have now understood how to avoid present perfect simple tense errors in work emails.